Hey, Samsung fans! We've got an exclusive sneak peek at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and its turning heads. Thanks to some leaked photos, we're getting a first look at this beauty, all in a sleek gray color. Big shout out to Davidon X for bringing these to light. Now, when you first glance at it, you might think it looks a bit like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but there's a cool change. The screen is now flat, not curved. This gives the phone a modern and sharp look, and it's also tougher, which is awesome. The back still has that classy matte finish we love from Samsung, and guess what? It's got a titanium frame, making it not only lighter but also stronger than the previous model. And here's the exciting part. Samsung is gearing up to reveal the whole Galaxy S24 series on January 17th. But even before that, they've got an event at CES 2024, all about artificial intelligence, AI. This suggests that the Galaxy S24 series is going to be super smart, with some exciting AI features in store. There's also a buzz about the camera. The S24 Ultra might take even better photos, especially with a reported 10x zoom and a set of 4 rear cameras. Oh, and here's the cherry on top. Samsung is allowing early reservations for the Galaxy S24 series and giving a cool $50 discount for those who reserve ahead of time. In a nutshell, the Galaxy S24 series promises a fresh design, extra durability, brighter displays, better hardware, and some snazzy new AI features. So, stay tuned for more details as we get closer to the big launch. Don't forget to subscribe for updates and share your thoughts in the comments. Peace out.